Hey Goombas, Nicky Lance back here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you watch this video because you'll forget. This is Joe. He owns Mama's Pizzeria, Mama's Meatballs and Pizzeria out here in Pennsauken, New Jersey. And who doesn't like pizza and meatballs? Are these meatballs like? It doesn't matter to me. I like them equally. I probably lean towards them being fried than anything else. Are they fried or baked?
So no, they're baked. They're baked. But what we do, because I know everybody likes the fry effect. So when we're rolling the meatballs, we glaze every single meatball with olive oil. So that's how we get a smooth surface, and it also creates the effect that it's not going to be as hard. The skin's not going to be as hard as if you like deep fried it or fried it in olive oil and did the turning thing. But what we do is we glaze every meatball with olive oil so that when they go in the oven, they have that oil coating so they get that skin.
So the meatballs that I grew up with as a kid in South Philly were fried. We always have fried meatballs. I don't have a problem with baked meatballs, but they do bake them here at Mama's Meatballs, and they are, don't get me wrong, they are delicious.
So we have 4 different types of meatballs and 1 non-meatball for our vegetarian customers. But essentially you can get them 1 by 1, you can get them in quarts of 6, you can get them in bowls of 4 with a side salad and a garlic knot. You can get them in sandwiches.
Nice.
You can get them in pasta bowls. You can get them in half trays of 25, full trays of 50. We have, like I said, 4 different types of meatballs, 1 non-meatball, and then we have 6 different ways of topping them as well.
For me, I'm sure for the rest of us too, there's like certain foods, there's just certain foods that bring you right back to your childhood, and meatballs, that's a big one for me. I'm going to also sample the pizza with the meatballs on it. Wasn't originally what I was going to do, but they said, hey, try that. I'm like, okay. So they also have really good pizza here. Tell us about that. You have different types of styles here?
So yeah, we're a traditional, I would say, New York style pizzeria. So we do 3 different styles. We do New York style, which is round, baked on the stone. We do grandma style, which is thin, square, baked in a pan. And then we do Sicilian style, which is thick, square, baked in a pan.
Just like I like it, the pepperoni is, and the sausage is cupping. They cup. The good stuff. So Joe makes his own bread here, his own rolls, which leads me into your incredible cheesesteak that seems to be taken off here from what I hear. Good old fresh ribeye and Cooper Sharp. Nothing better than that.
I've had amazing cheesesteaks and I've had not so amazing cheesesteaks.
Well, the not so amazing cheesesteaks are the frozen rectangles that a lot of places use.
As a friend of mine says, the mystery meat.
Yeah.
The mystery meat. So what I wanted to find a source for a really good high quality ribeye that was going to be affordable, to make it affordable on our end, but also make it affordable for a customer where we're not charging $20 for a sandwich.
Right, so you slice your own ribeye.
We slice our own ribeye.
So you need to know. All right, meatball parm. The spicy meatball parm. They're not hot. They're spicy. They're very good. I want to taste this without the roll. The roll is banging. That's incredible. That roll. These meatballs are incredible. Honestly, especially the spicy meatballs. Put that on a meatball parmesan sandwich on their fresh roll that they make here, and it's gonna knock you right on your ass. I promise. Look at this thing, guys. That is a lot of meat. Well, I saw it being made. I saw the fresh ribeye. And it is fresh ribeye. It's delicious. All right, got the slice of pizza here. This is a regular pizza I got, regular slice. Nothing fancy. You can already smell how delicious it is. Really good underneath. It's just like everything else. Delicious. All right, bud, what'd you get here today, man?
Chicken parm, pizza, cheesesteak, incredible.
First time somebody comes here, what are you telling them to get?
Chicken parm, cheesesteak.
It's chicken parm. Guys, that's my man. I'm a big chicken parm guy. This guy loves chicken parm. I love chicken. I didn't have that. I should go back in and try it, but I'll throw up. And the pizza, forget about it. It's great. It's a great slice of pizza. Fresh food, top of the line, real ribeye, perfectly cooked pizzas. The bread's unbelievable. The steak, the cheesesteaks are just as good as anything I've had anywhere else. All right, guys, that's it from Mama's Meatballs and Pizzeria in Pennsauken, New Jersey. Great place. Come out there and check them out. And if you do me a favor, press the like button, subscribe button, and please share the hell out of the video. Nicky Lance out.